How to contact Buffalo Wild Wings using the Contact Us page. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open FAQ and Contact Us of Buffalo Wild Wings page. Here, you'll find different information. If you want to contact them for specific reason like account rewards, you can simply see if the solutions are in here as you'll find question and answers. But you don't find it here, you want to directly contact them, then click on Contact Us at the bottom. After you click on Contact Us at the bottom, it will lead you to this page. Here, you'll find email and phone number. For phone number, it's 1-866-704-0777, and you can email them at support@buffalowildwings.com. And after you do that, you're good to go. This is how to contact Buffalo Wild Wings using the Contact Us page. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.